Alright, welcome to this video tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be guiding you step by step on how you can create a simple website like this for dentists. Very simple. Okay, so you can see this is a new website. Just log into your website and let's proceed. So I'm going to my dashboard. We'll be needing a plugin and few plugins and a theme. So the first thing we need to install is a theme. Let's hover over appearance, then go to theme. Okay, let's search for Astra theme. Okay, this is it. So let's click on install. Then activate. Okay, and the next thing we need to do is to hover over plugin and click on add new. So let's search for starter template. Okay, all right, so this is what we're going to install. Then let's activate it. Okay, once we are done installing the starter and you activated it, the next thing we need to install is Elementor page builder. Okay, okay, we are going to install this. You can see over 5 million people are actually using it. This is one of my favorite page builder. So let's activate it. Okay, and let's go down and hover over appearance, then select starter template that we installed earlier. So we can be able to import a complete website. Okay, you can see these are templates that we're going to use. I'm going to use one of them. Let me just search for this particular one. Okay, this is very one. I think that yeah, this is very one. So let's install this one. Let's preview it and see how it looks like. Okay, this is it. Now we're going to install. Okay, and let's go back and import the templates. Click on import complete site. Okay, type in your, just select any of them. Okay, click on next. Skip this. Let's wait while the site is being imported. Okay, now let's view the site now and see how our site looks like. Boom! This is how our site looks like now. So all we need now is to start editing this site with our pictures and our write-ups. So to do that, go back to our dashboard. Okay, go to all pages. Now I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. Click on this. Boom, we are there. So this is where we're going to customize the site to our preference. So the first thing we need to do, let's start changing some of the things we don't like this very one. If you want to change the background of this, just click on this. The background color of this, just click on this. Come to color. You click on this, you can change the background color. Okay, can select any color that I want. Now if you want to, let's change this image, the background image, and put something different that may not even be related to the dentist. I'm just using this as an example. Let me just use this image. Okay, now insert image. You can see the image has been inserted. Now let's say you want to change this text here. Just click on this, then change it to whatever you want to change. Your oral health matters to us. You can change it to your oral health is our concern. Okay, so any of them that I want to change, just click on it. For instance, let me reduce the size of this particular one. Okay, click on typography. You can see, click on size. Okay, can actually center it. Okay, just click on update. Now if you go back to this our home page, let me go back to our home page. You can see this is how our page looks like now with that image that I selected earlier. Okay, get brighter smile from London Best Dentist. Okay, let's go back to Elementor. This is the one we just edited. So any of them that you want to edit, just click on it like this one. Click on it just here. You can do all the editing that you want to do like this button, just click on it. You can see the button here, no more. You may decide to change the button to learn more. Okay, the color, let's make the color something different. Click on style. The text color, let's make it black. Okay, make it black. And let's make the background hover. Then the background, let's change the background to something different. Okay, let's make the background okay. We're done with that. Let's go to hover. Let's make the text color when hovered on white. Let's make it white. Okay. Okay. Then let's make the background color when hovered on. Let's make it just to show you can see. Make it something too dark. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, you can see the text color once you hover over this thing, the text color changes to white. Okay, all right. Then you go down, click on update. Endeavor to update your work. Once you are done, click on update. Is far better. Okay, so let's go down. Then this particular one, call us today for free medical. Let's just reduce it. So depending on what you're actually doing, this is how you are going to edit all of them. Any of the picture that you don't like, that suits your this thing, like this one, just click on this and remove the picture. Okay, let me just use this very one. Okay, so click on update. So if we go back and refresh this, you notice that this picture will change. Okay, and this text that we edited has changed to learn more. So Elementor page builder is very simple to use if you actually practice it. It's not something that you learn on that one day, but it's very easy to use. So basically this is how you are going to edit all of them that you don't want. For instance, let's say you don't want this section, this particular section. You can see this X sign, just click on it. It has been deleted. Okay, and if you want to add any let's say here you want to add another section, just click on this plus sign. Okay, and select this. Select any of the column that I want to add. Let me say I want to add a full column. You can see it has been added. Let's say I want to add a heading there. Just click on this and drag to that particular place that I just added this thing. Yeah. Alright, then change it to what you want to do. Let's say come for free medical consultation. Okay, you can see the size is too big. Let's center it first. You can see, just click on this center. You can send it to right, you can send it to left. I'm going to leave it at the center. So let's reduce the size of that font. Click on typography. Then you can see the size. Reduce the size. Let's say 20 is okay. So let's make it 25. You can type. Just type, highlight and type the number I want. Let's make it 25. Okay. Can increase the weight of that font. Let's say 500. And you can change, you can transform it to uppercase or true. Let's leave it at uppercase. Okay. So this is how you can actually play around with it. Let's change that color to something else. Okay. Once you are done, you click on save. You click on update. Okay, you just go through and see any of them that you don't like. Just click on it. I'm just showing that it's very simple to edit. Now let's say you want to change this logo. Let's say you want to change this logo. Now let's say you want to change this logo. I don't want to close this page builder. All you need to do is to go to back to your dashboard. Okay, go back to your dashboard, click on this customize. Click on header builder. Okay, click on site identity and logo. Then this is the logo that is here. Let me see if I can change. Let me just use anything from my system and just upload anything from my system. And pick this one and use it as the logo. Just drop it. Okay, then select, skip cropping. Okay, you can see I've changed the logo. You may decide to resize the logo. Put it. And reduce it. Okay. This site icon is actually this thing that you are seeing here. This is the site icon. So if you want to change the site icon, just click on this. Let me still use this one. Skip cropping. Okay, this is the site icon. Once you are done setting your this thing, ensure you can actually do more things here. Let me publish this one first and show you other things that you can actually do. Let's go back. Let's go to Let's go to global color. It's a global. You can actually change the color of the complete scene. This color, you can change it. These colors. Let's just see back. Once you are done editing your this thing, just click on this X to exit page. Okay, you can see our logo. You can see the site icon. You can see it's just at the top right here. So that is the site icon. Now let's go back to our Elementor. So anything that you actually want to do, all you need to do is to click on that particular one and you change. So let's change the background color of this particular procedures to something different. Let's say let's make it black and make the text color white. Okay, let's make it black and make the text color white.